Okay guys, we've got our all-purpose cleaner right here. So we're going to give this a little go. You can use it pretty much on any surface. So we've got an engine bay here that is dirty, road grime and whatnot. So we're going to give it a quick spray and then gurney it straight off. So now for these stubborn areas here, we're going to use one of our boar hair brushes. We're going to give it another spray and then just agitate it with the brush. As you can see, it's coming straight off. Don't be shy with the product. Just work your way around. Okay, so we're going to use a combination now of our wheel cleaner and our all-purpose cleaner. We're going to clean tyres, wheels and guard liner suspension all at once. We're going to reduce the scrubbingness and just it's going to be a quick, easy result. So spray all the surfaces first. Make sure not to do this in direct sunlight because then the chemical is going to dry too quickly and you're not going to get a good result. Same with the wheels. Nice spray. You can already see it working, doing its thing. So basically instantaneous spray and you can start washing straight away. Once again, if you want to get a more thorough result, we just use the boar hair brush and we give it another spray. So here we've got our Smooth As Wash and Wax, pH neutral, so it's safe for waxes, coatings, all that type of stuff. It's got a wax inbuilt, so it's going to help top everything else up as well. Very concentrated, so we'll just pour a little bit in here and we'll give you a sample. So we can also use this on our snow foam guns. So all we do is 50 to 100 mils. That's about it there. Fill the rest up with water. Excellent results.
All right, next up is the twister towel. So 70 by 90, just single-sided, that's all you need. It'll drive this whole car perfectly. Super absorbent, low risk of scratching your vehicle. And then when you're done with it, just chuck it in the washing machine in case you picked up some dirt. All right, Smooth As spray wax. So main advantages are it can be used on all surfaces. So paint, stickers, plastics, metal, doesn't matter. Can be used in direct sunlight, don't recommend it, but can be if need be. Adds extra slickness to the paint, which helps with like getting bugs off easier, helps the water sheet off the paint. And most of all, it's super easy to apply. You just spray and wipe, flip it over, rub the excess off, and you've got instant thickness and instant shine. So our tire milk's really versatile. Not only can it be used on dry aged tires, but it can also be used on plastics, guard liners. And the best part about it is it doesn't create flick down the sides of the car. So the more you rub it in, the less shiny it will get to the desired finish you want. So if you want it super glossy, you'll just go over it once or twice like that. If you want it a little bit more matte and satin, you just keep going over it to spread it out. And then once it's soaked in and dried, you won't get that slick, glossy feeling and goo all over your hands. So it leaves a nice natural finish, not too glossy, not too dry. Alright, so another really versatile product is our interior clean. So perfect for interiors like this where not much shine is required. It's got that matte satin finish from factory. Great for steering wheels, trying to get the shine off that. All types of leathers, vinyls, plastics, materials, light to medium stains, really good at removing that. Suede, all of that above. So it's really easy. Again, you just spray on your cloth. You can go over anything, it won't damage anything. It's not too harsh to sort of cause any damage. And it just leaves that nice sort of matte satin finish like factory. So stubborn areas like this, if we need to use a brush to agitate it, may or may not. But again, just spray on, give it a wipe. And then you'll see your dirt transferred over to the cloth. So for those that prefer maybe a satin to gloss finish or have an older car where it is a gloss finish, Interior Protect is our next product that we use. So again, it's just real easy, spray and wipe, and you get that nice silky finish there, and it doesn't leave no greasy film behind. Also really good to like hide scratches, to rejuvenate dried out rubbers on the interior. Panels like this where there's some light scuffing that won't come out, really good to sort of just cover it up and blend it all in as one. And again, it just leaves that nice silky finish. Flip it over to a dry side to avoid any streaks, and you're done. All right, so there you have it, guys, a complete run through of all our products with only more to come. Basically, these are made all in-house by us, bottled in-house, everything. We've perfected the mix over the years, so the general public gets professional results just like us. So we use it all day, every day. And as you can see, the car looks brand new again. It was very neglected, very dry looking, and it just didn't have the love it deserved. So a few products here and there, and it looks brand new again.